Attending Drone Command Live has been an amazing experience. It would be easy to fill this testimonial with platitudes, but the reality is it has been real life, real world, actionable information that we are going to be able to put to use right away. I had a question about the virtual event and what the experience would be like, but it has been amazing and real, truly interactive, and we've had plenty of time to interact with not only Damon and Diego, but the other participants. And I've already learned more than I could have imagined. It's been worth every single penny of the course fee. I highly recommend it for anybody who's interested in learning more about starting their drone business.